In this video, you'll learn how to change DNS settings on your Ionos domain in a clear step-by-step way. If you're pointing your domain to a new website, configuring email, or verifying a service, updating your DNS records is an essential skill, and I'll walk you through it so you feel confident making these changes. First, you'll need to sign in to your Ionos account and open your control panel. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can manage all your services. From here, look for the section labeled Domains and SSL. It usually appears as a tile or box on the dashboard. Go ahead and click that tile. This is where you manage your domains, their security certificates, and most importantly for this tutorial, the DNS settings. After clicking Domains and SSL, you'll see a list of all the domains associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the domain you want to edit. If you have many domains, you might need to scroll a bit or use any search or filter options available to narrow it down. Once you've found the correct domain, look to the right side of that row for a small gear icon, often labeled as Actions when you hover over it. Click that gear icon to open up the domain's management menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option called DNS. This will take you into the DNS management area for that specific domain. Here you'll see a table of existing records, such as A records, CNAMEs, MX records, and TXT records. These records tell the internet where to send web traffic, how to handle email, and how to verify ownership with other services. Let's start with how to edit an existing record. Maybe you're moving your website to a new server and need to update the A record to point to a different IP address. In the list of DNS records, find the one you want to change. For example, look for the A record that points to your current IP address. Once you've located it, look again for a small gear icon or an edit option next to that record. Click the gear icon, then choose Edit Record. A form will open where you can adjust the details of that record. Carefully enter the new values you were given, such as the new IP address or hostname. Take your time here and double-check each field, because even a small typo can cause your website or email to stop working correctly. When you're sure everything is correct, click Save to apply the change. Now let's go over how to add a new DNS record. At the top of the DNS records page, you'll see a button labeled Add Record. Click that button. You'll be prompted to choose the type of record you want to add. Common options include A records for pointing your domain to an IP address, CNAME records for pointing one host name to another, MX records for email routing, and TXT records for things like verification or security settings. Select the appropriate type based on the instructions you've received from your hosting provider, email service, or other platform, then fill in the required fields with the new values. Again, accuracy is important, so verify that everything matches the information you were provided. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. Keep in mind that DNS changes do not update everywhere on the internet instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours for the changes to fully propagate. During that time, some visitors might see the old settings while others see the new ones. That's all you need to change DNS settings on your Ionos domain. With these steps, you can edit existing records or add new ones whenever you need to update how your domain behaves online.